Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox Bedwars not loading. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak signal can prevent the game from loading. Next, quickly check the official Roblox server status online to confirm there aren't any widespread outages affecting everyone. Finally, a simple restart of both your Roblox application and your device can often resolve minor glitches, giving everything a fresh start and potentially fixing the loading problem right away. Moving on, let's tackle some in-game and application-specific solutions. Begin by clearing your Roblox cache and temporary files from your device's settings. Accumulated data can sometimes cause loading issues. It's also crucial to ensure your Roblox application is updated to its very latest version, as outdated software can lead to compatibility problems. If Bedwars still won't load, try joining a different Bedwars server or even another Roblox game to see if the problem is isolated to a specific server or the game itself. Now let's look at your device and network settings, which can often be the root cause. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, try disabling it temporarily, as these can sometimes interfere with Roblox's connection. Similarly, your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking the game, so try disabling them briefly to test. Lastly, flushing your DNS cache and renewing your IP address through your computer's command prompt can resolve network-related loading problems by refreshing your connection data. If you've tried everything else and Bedwars still isn't loading, it might be time for some more advanced steps. Consider completely reinstalling the Roblox application. This can fix corrupted files that are difficult to pinpoint otherwise. If the issue persists, gather all the details about your problem and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Then contact Roblox support directly for personalized assistance. Don't forget to check community forums and official Roblox social media for any known issues or shared solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.